What's up everyone, my name's Adrian.
And I'm Brianna.
And today we're going to be showing you our 5 favorite couples combinations.
I'm super excited because this is what we think looks best together.
Yeah.
You guys can always mix and match. We have so many options.
Yeah, so first I'm going to show you the hammer in bronze. This is one of my absolute favorite rings. I love the thinness of the band. It's 6 millimeters versus the traditional 8 millimeters that the men's rings come in. And then Brianna's wearing
the Elena and rose gold.
Yes,
That's what we would pair together. I think the rose gold really complements the bronze.
It really does.
And the solitaire ring really complements how thin the band of the bronze ring is.
Yeah. And what's really cool about this ring is it's lighter. Since it is 2 millimeters thinner, it is going to be lighter than a traditional wedding ring. And whenever I wear it, I kind of forget that I'm even wearing a ring after a while, just because of how light it is.
It's simple, but it has that texture, so it looks good.
Since it is textured, it does have some style to it, so I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna have a really good time with this one.
Yeah, it looks really good with any rose gold ring as well.
Yep. So next up, we have the Elite. So the Elite is a traditional 8 millimeter wedding band. It's made of tungsten, and it features a really nice rose gold inlay with black on the outside. So you have really cool 2 tones in there, and also on the inside.
And I'm gonna pair that with the lovely and rose gold.
Yeah.
I love this ring. It's a statement ring. It's got a nice large stone. It's got a hidden halo. Even has some stones around the large one. I think it looks so good with the gold in that center.
We've always paired these two together, and a lot of people who do purchase the lovely will buy the Elite for their significant other. So it's a really good combination, and we love these two. Next up is the Infinity in silver. So the Infinity in silver is another thin band. It's very lightweight. It's made of titanium and very simple. Honestly, you can't go wrong with this one. It's gonna match with everything. And Brianna's wearing.
We're gonna pair it with the I Do.
Yes.
This is a classic ring style. I feel like it's been around for so long, but it never goes out of style. And because it's so classic, it goes with the classic sleek band of this ring. They look good together. They're simple, they're timeless, and you just can never go wrong with it.
You really can't. You're not gonna have any problems matching with either of these rings. So this is a really good combination. And
match made in heaven.
Yes, exactly. So next up, we got the Excalibur in silver. So this is an awesome ring. It's heavy duty. It's made of tungsten, and that finish, I mean, it speaks for itself. It's a really nice brushed finish, and it has some weight to it. You'll feel it. It's not as light as our thinner bands. So if you like some weight on your rings, this is gonna be the one to get.
And I would pair that with the Victoria. Again, it's a timeless piece. It's a classic shape. It's marquise, so it's a little bit more unique. It's got that twisty band, as you can see. And I feel like it looks so good with the uniqueness of the men's ring.
Yeah.
It's thick. They're both kind of larger, so you kind of have more of a statement piece. I love these two together.
Yeah, I consider this a statement piece as well. Both statement pieces and
Very
together.
unique.
Very unique, very stylish, and you just can't go wrong with these. Lastly, we have the Titan in black. So the Titan comes in many colors. The black finish just looks really nice and sleek. It is made of titanium, so it's gonna be a little bit lighter compared to the last ring we showed, which that one's made of tungsten, so it's heavier. But this is still a great option. You can't go wrong with a black ring. It's modern, sleek, and it matches with everything.
And I feel like it looks so good with the princess. I love this ring. It's also a classic, and it's just one that is so unique.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of people don't wear rings like this anymore, maybe years ago, but I definitely think this is a style we need to bring back. It looks so good with the black.
Yeah.
I feel like they just pair so well together.
They really do.
I would wear this.
This is a really nice combo, guys. So that was 5 of our favorite ring pairings. Obviously, there's many more combinations out there, so feel free to make these a starting point and create your own.
Yeah, you guys can browse our website. We've got tons of men's rings, tons of women's rings. See what you like, and you guys even have multiple different pairings.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with having multiple rings, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions or any other video ideas, feel free to comment down below, and make sure to subscribe and like this video, okay? Thank you guys so much.